Okay, FM 101.7.
Ora Bright appear. CEO Emma Charles Wright International. Yene no enkwatwe nkomo. Wo hene me mo ache?
You have a Jojo.
Na boko de.
Nyamiadum.
Maba wo nchen a. Ye de mame musa pa. Na daily guide ya baba tudwa no se. Se nkwada itifie. Ye wo mo ebinum wo a. Ye wo mo adekire via internet ni ade. And now see young grade womo with continuous assessment. And come yi enchiremu ni se wada wuruma.
Me da say me cha no weti. Na all the time I na metia yetafro etikasi also am I right?
Yes, I.
My because me who TV so me who say
we do. Ajapia. Say eye kasa bebu.
Okay.
Yes, sir. O connect kese eri adwea. Wo si emre.
Okay.
Tikase ye obi a onim sabi nyansa, onim ade bi hu nyansa. Ti wo kono wo ye ade bi ase ade we di metimi aye bi. He, wo be ye no enti enye tira eson.
Oh, okay. Because before afro me say
example like Mudo obi tika say, "Hey, wa hini was so." The case was so as in size.
And okay.
Yes, hey, wa your hin kase. Na kase the jurisdiction no. Ene ni dibre na konya no mu odu. Wa your hin kase, tikase no. Ase no.
Me sure say omo mutio no, ombenya ntia say na menya ntia.
Wa mati ase.
And I you better watch so the juma oyo okay FM every morning.
Yes, ya da mo ase eja, ye nyina ye so man kakra.
Good. Na yan komo no ye di ababe tudwa no yes for the few weeks ya abese no or the first declaration on Mampeni no was the fact that all schools must be closed, and during that time and also most of the schools were preparing for their final exams, especially BEC they say WASI4. And the times that we are in, also, it will not allow certain gathering and other certain activities to take place. And at the end of the day, their advanced education, it should also be guaranteed by the state, because education is one thing all over the world. Now, most of these advanced countries in the first declaration. Most of them made has to do with the education and what they think that they will do to ensure that education will still be relevant or more countries money are there. We looked at all these things now. We're looking at the best option ebetimi abwa so that we can still go ahead and award certificate for BEC in WASI4 in event where the lockdown COVID-19 ebeche. And we're looking at it, and you realize the examination I take Muhana. The continuous assessment forms part of the decision making to determine marks every year to get certificate for BEC or WASI. Now, over BEC 40%. Now, WASI 30%, which clearly means a lot of things goes into it to ensure the continuous assessment, forms part of the final year akwano benyano. But if because of this event, yentimi ma enkwano ncho exams then we are saying the another alternative for us, is to depend on the continuous assessment na enkwano to be able to award them certification for the exams, And in doing that, we are here in Penifakasa, both in and outside this country. You realize some of the things are a bit to me also to build the credibility of the continuous assessment. The fact that we should look at the performance of the school, we should look at the performance of the individual how they participate in homework, how they do their classwork, and then their terminal exams. What is the predicted result over the past 3 years, no, must stay was school, Then again, you come back to look at the performance of school Nankasa. Say over the past 5 years, what has been the performance of that particular school when it comes to the BEC NYC normal channel? Then we also brought in the issue of equity. Say schools need to be a locational environment in school no. It gives them a disadvantage already. And in determining the standardization for such schools, it should differ. Now, pick grade A school, grade B school, grade C school now. In using the continuous assessment, it must differ at all these levels, so that you bring them to a level where you say, with this, it will give you this mark, with that, it will give you this mark. Then you use it to award the certificate for your inquiry. Because as it is, it will be very difficult for us to say, inquiry better exam. And one of the means that we can use, the continuous assessment. But what we need to do, how do we build the credibility of the continuous assessment in order to use it to award marks? And basically that's what we are saying is in 24 this would also be another alternative so far as young Korano are concerned, so that we can award them with a certificate to have a continuous education.
Now, Mami, we are way. What baby say universities are what be as a was in the you bet me again with continuous assessment. No, one more tiasi, and now say as I say, you build a consensus with the association.
Yeah, well, you see, some of these they are policy issues, and whatever the policy is, I don't think any individual university will determine the decision of the state, or no, they will not comply with it because of his or only they say no pen, because who call for instance, who go US, they describe the whole examination. And I don't think that any of the universities will say or near by policy or the abano or not even comply with. I think the one is a policy, it is not a matter of asking the university whether they like it or not, but it's just about compliance. That is why he has in doing that, the university would have confidence in the processes now will be used to build the marks now, and that is the most important thing. So they have to engage universities, in determining the indicators, that would let them have a credible they say continuous assessment to award a certification. But I don't think that any university on the face of what we are confronted with would deny any child the right to education because they don't believe in certain processes and all that. Or they don't believe in the continuous assessment. I feel that if it's a matter of policy, now or minor determines that this is the way we want to go. I think that any other body in the system should comply with it.
Mami, we are you BC to me. Now, what's here? West Africa, no? A better yet, me collaborate.
Yes, of course. You see, who was the president can say we are not in normal times, and all the countries, which forms part of the WAEC, all the countries are also confronted with this particular issue. And we need to have some kind of a discussion with other countries, Say this is the situation that we find ourselves in. Now, I thought they be late Professor Mills Kayano. I thought they be would you fear them? Now, yes, share or choir you bet me a pass on my young Cora Adiciano. Now, after that, I strongly believe a lot of things are going to change in respect to how we conduct our education in this part of the world. And I believe gradually we'll get there. But so far as I know, sub-regional exams, I think some consultation must also go on with other they say countries, to be able to have a fair way of awarding certificate to young Korano.
Papa na wenka ebeye tempora anase we no eba enka ho.
Maybe for the past years, I have advocated using a scoring system to determine the brilliance level of young Korano. It's an archaic principle. Say, Ebi, or no, on class. Me child in university, you know, I've seen students as heavy or no on my class, but or better say no I control no I pass it. And every the tia utiminya marks no enya B and as A. And these are people that we consider as when you're first class and as when you're marks are ever. And for me, you know, that is not what we need to focus on because we share the sustainable development goals now. It's talking about long life learning. And then if we share a curriculum, you're developing recently, it is dealing with capacity building. And a lot of things must change in terms of how you're conducting exams or we determine brilliance. And once we are able to do that, personally, I feel that examination, and then say the able control exams finally say the awarding marks gradually, it will be an accommodated principle. We have to begin to build capacity of the inquiry right from the time of school. That for me is a long life learning skill that we are giving to them in order to face life. And, you know, I know for a fact a lot of things are going to change after the COVID-19. And that would be my proposal.
Oh, I see. Penny, you better ask Pana where proposal I'm going to be a Ministry of Education.
Yes, the back, but young fan this morning, I'm sure they will get a copy of the proposal now you are making.
Open Medasi and pay.
Medasi.
Miss Medasi, all right, bright, appear, see you. And my chance right international, and then I call.
Okay, FM 101.7.